roll number, name, marks, like this you have seen. Next, select star from student. Okay. 3 queries, 3 programs you studied. This first query, is it DDL or DML or DQL? DDL. For DDL queries, which method suitable? Execute method. So that program, execute method program you have seen. Same program for other DDL queries. Okay. Next, this query DDL or DML or DQL? DML. DML query. This program execute, which method suitable? Execute update. That method program I given no. Any other DML query Java program is same. This is DQL. DQL. Actually, this is called DML also, but here I given separate. DQL. This query, it is one program you have seen yesterday. Same program for all DQL queries. Select query only 100 types you can write. Writing program is same. Okay. Now these programs, if you want to write in Eclipse, how to write? See. Now first Eclipse I'll teach. So from here onwards, I'll start Eclipse only. Eclipse environment I'm going to teach. See, first what exactly Eclipse, shortcut keys, and how to open perspectives, how to open views. These concepts also required. Okay. Just write it. Eclipse. Write it. Eclipse. Eclipse is an IDE. Integrated Development Environment. Eclipse is an IDE and it is used to develop applications by using Java programming language and other programming languages like C, C++, Perl, -- etc. Eclipse. Eclipse is an IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Eclipse is an IDE, Integrated Development Environment, and it is used to develop applications by using Java and Java programming language and other programming languages like C, C++, Perl, -- etc. Eclipse is an IDE, Integrated Development Environment, and it is used to develop applications by using Java programming language and other programming languages like C, C++, Perl, -- etc. See, this is nothing but one software. Eclipse is one software. That software is called IDE. See, Java is one software. That is programming language software. That is one software, IDE, Integrated Development Environment. For developing applications, some environments required. Those all environments group put together as a one unit. That software is Eclipse. Say, if you want to write Java program, first editor required. Notepad or edit plus something, typing purpose, writing program purpose, editor required. That editor you can use, Notepad you can use, Notepad++ you can use, Edit Plus you can use, Testpad you can use. Many are there environments. Like that, one editor required, as well as compiler required to compile the program. Java C, that is one software, Java compiler. After that, running purpose JVM required, Java Virtual Machine, as well as Java library required, API. That is nothing but Java runtime environment. Inside the Java runtime environment, Java API and Java library, Java virtual machine will be there. So that environment required. After that, further internet applications running purpose browser required, server required, database required. These all in a one place. That is Eclipse. Developing applications, what are the environments required? Those all environments integrated. That is the reason it is called integrated development environment. Okay. Eclipse is an IDE, integrated development environment. Development purpose, what are the environments required? Those all environments grouped together, integrated. That is the reason it is called IDE. But it is not only Java, other languages also we can write. C, C++ programs also we can write in Eclipse. Okay. Eclipse, there are so many Eclipse softwares are there. There are so many Eclipse software. Writing C program, C++ program, Perl program, so many programs you can write. Possible. Okay. This is Eclipse's IDE. Its own software. Now, write it. Eclipse IDE contains editors, compilers, interpreters, plugins, etc. 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 Okay. Say in a Eclipse IDE only, editor will be there. Writing program purpose editor required. There only you can write. There only Java compiler will be there. While typing only compiled. While typing only letter by letter compiled. Interpreter will be there. Bytecode converted into bitcode. And plugins will be there. To attach servers, to attach browsers, some other softwares. Plugins. What exactly plugin, Nodal? A plugin is a software. A plugin is a software and it is used to extend the functionality of an IDE. A plugin is a software and it is used to extend the functionality of an IDE. A plugin is a software and it is used to extend the functionality of an IDE. A plugin is a software and it is used to extend the functionality of an IDE. Suppose next topic only we record browser, we record server. Without browser, without server, next topic not possible. Next topic, Soulets onwards after JDBC. After JDBC, Soulets onwards, browser required, server required. Because we are going to develop internet applications. Internet application means compulsory you have to deploy in server software. That if you deploy in server, that application, any number of people at a time from any corner in the world can access. That type software is required. So up to JDBC one type. Soulets onwards, complete different. Complete new style of PS programming. Okay. Like here what we are doing, you observe, we are writing one Java program. We are compiling Java C demo.java, Java demo, like that. But later not like that. We have to write one server side program. We have to write one client side program. Client and server communication also we have to write. We have to make it. And as well as database communication also you have to make it. And that application you have to configure with XML file. Then you have to deploy in server. Later you have to start the server. And you have to set the path. You have to set the permanent path. You have to set the permanent class path. Then you have to open browser. From browser, you have to send the request to server. Then output comes. That type programming will be there. So next topic converts, real-time Java starts. Real-time Java. Whatever you are going to use in a software company, that type programming. But for that, core Java knowledge compulsory. That is the reason these all you have to learn in order. Okay. Directly that topic not possible. That is the reason you are learning this all. Okay. So servers are there. Tomcat server, WebLogic server, WebSphere server, JBoss server, Wildfly server, Sun1 server, Glassfish server, hundreds of servers are there. You have seen databases, hundreds of databases are there, no? Hundreds of drivers are there, no? Like that, hundreds of servers are there. Browsers also, hundreds of browsers are there. Google Chrome is there, Internet Explorer is there, NeoPlanet is there, Opera is there. So many browsers are there, no? America Online, so many browsers are there, hundreds of browsers. Any browser, any software, Java supports because independent. Java is platform independent. No? Platform independent means most of the students what they'll think operating system independent. Operating system only not platform. Browser also, server also, JVM also, JRE also platforms. Okay, Java also platform. But most of the people what they'll think is platform is operating system. But not only operating system, Java also platform. Java platform. You studied no? In core Java? Like that. JRE also platform. That software, if you want to connect to this software, one more software required. That is called plugin. So with plugin, we can extend. If plugin is there, we can connect. Plugin is not there, we cannot connect. Driver is there, we can connect database. Driver is not there, we cannot connect database. Like that. So with plugin software, we can extend the functionality of an IDE. IDE itself, it contains so many things. But with plugin software, you can extend. You can add some more software to Eclipse. You can club. That is possible. That type of plugins also we can download, we can connect. Okay. Next. There are two Eclipse softwares for Java. There are two Eclipse softwares for Java programming. First one, Eclipse for Java. Second one, Eclipse for Java EE. There are two Eclipse softwares for Java programming. First one, Eclipse for Java. Second one, Eclipse for Java EE. First one, Eclipse for Java. Second one, Eclipse for Java EE. Two softwares will be there, Java purpose. Now, what's the difference? Eclipse for Java supports Java SC applications only. Eclipse for Java EE supports both Java SC and Java EE applications. Eclipse for Java supports Java SC applications only. Eclipse for Java EE supports both Java SC and Java EE applications. Eclipse for Java supports Java SC applications only. Eclipse for Java EE supports both Java SC and Java EE application. Now, JDBC comes under Java SC or Java EE? Java SC. So now this is also works. This is also works. Solid Java EE. That's what you install this software. If we install this software, up to JDBC possible. Further, not possible. Okay. So already installed. Already in your system, Eclipse is there. You continue up to JDBC. Whenever Solid topic comes, you install this one. Okay, I'll show you. Eclipse for Java is there. Eclipse for Java EE is there. Two softwares will be there. Now, next topic onwards, compulsory. This is required. Without this, Solid programming not possible in Eclipse. Okay. Now, in my system, okay, 1 minute. This system changed. What is there in my system? Also, I didn't check. Is it over? It is there. Okay. Now, next. Eclipse software developed in Java language only. See, that software also developed with Java language. Eclipse software developed in Java language. Eclipse software developed by Eclipse Foundation. Eclipse software developed by Eclipse Foundation. Eclipse released in 2004. Eclipse first release 2004. Latest version of Eclipse is that is every 3 months they are updating. Every 3 months. Very frequently they are updating. Here Eclipse version history. If you click first link only, here, see, 2001 they started, actually officially 2004 released. Officially 2004 released. Eclipse 3.0 released. Eclipse 2 November 2001 is there, but actually started in Eclipse 2004 according to architecture. Okay, write it over. 2001 only better. 2004 is there. Eclipse released on 221. Okay, 2004. Here you observe, here latest version 4.26. 4.27 coming in March only. You observe, September, December, March. Every 3 months they are updating. Every 3 months. So 4.26 latest version. Right, this one. Latest version of Eclipse is 4.26. Latest version of Eclipse is 4.26. Now, there are 2 Eclipse softwares. You have to download Eclipse for Java EE. Those who didn't install till Eclipse, download Java EE. Those who already installed using Eclipse, you continue with that one only. And whenever Soulets comes, you install. If already Eclipse EE is there, continue that one only. Okay. I'll show you how to identify whether it is what you downloaded. I'll show you. Is it over? See. Eclipse software download. Here, this is, you have to download. Get Eclipse, say 2012 December. This is latest version only. This 64-bit operating system. Nowadays, 32-bit operating system softwares are not available. If you want old version, you have to download old version. So still, if you are using 32-bit operating system, better to upgrade to 64-bit. Nowadays, majority of the softwares 32-bit not available. Old versions you have to, even Java also not available. Java 8 only available. Java 19 going on. Okay. See, to download Eclipse, open the following website. Directly you can write this link. Eclipse official website is eclipse.org. Eclipse official website is http://www.eclipse.org. Eclipse official website is http://www.eclipse.org. So in this website, Eclipse software available, you can download. Okay. Here already directly, if you want, you can type this one, download section, and directly it comes. Now, suppose you have a old version, no need to worry. You continue that one only. Again, no need to upgrade. This is IDE. It is nothing will happen. Like a little bit modifications, only some shortcuts or some tools maybe somewhat changed. 2 years back Eclipse also, no need to worry. Continue. Okay. 2 years back Eclipse also. Only framework related tools changed. Advanced Java related, core Java related, not changed. That's what 2 years back Eclipse also, if it already is there, continue that one only. No need to uninstall. Again, no need to reinstall. If it already in your system is there, you continue that one only. Okay. Is it over? Say here. This is you can download. Here download. Here you can select India version also. Other downloads possible. Select other mirror. Now latest version not showing. Okay. Anyone download here? Eclipse install. It is going to be installed. One exe file installed. Later, it will show some list of Eclipse softwares with this. I'll show you. It is main download site, Canada. So from this official website, you can download Eclipse software. If you download that one also, this is exe file. It shows the list of softwares only. Again, you have to download. In my system already downloaded Eclipse IDE 2020 to 12 recent version only. I'll show you the notes also. Say in my system downloads folder, it is downloaded. If I double click, Say Eclipse installer. Say here it shows the list. Here Eclipse for IDE for Java developers, Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java. This is you have to select. This is okay. This is you have to install. Okay. See, you observe here two softwares are there. Eclipse for Java is there. Eclipse for Java double is there. This is Eclipse IDE for Java developers. With this, Solid's topic not possible. With this, possible. See, Eclipse IDE for C, C++ also. You observe. Eclipse is there for other languages also. Now you download this one. You install this one. Okay. This is up to JDBC. Okay. But Solid onwards not possible. Okay. Now second one you have to select Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developer. This is in Java EE only. Okay. This is Eclipse for Java. This is Eclipse for Java EE. This is you have to select. Okay. Now I'll close this already installed. One minute. I'll show you all. In my system, Eclipse for Java EE is there. Okay. I'll show you. Write this one. Next, to start Eclipse, double click on Eclipse icon. Okay. Or on desktop, or double click on Eclipse icon in Eclipse folder. Say double click on Eclipse shortcut icon on desktop, or double click Eclipse icon in the following folder. Folder I'll show you. This PC, C drive, users, public. Here username Shivakumar is there in that Eclipse. So it is not here. That is somewhere installed. Eclipse. Here you have to double click. This is one way. If shortcut key is not there, use this. If shortcut key is not there, you open this one. Write this one. First one, double click on Eclipse shortcut icon on desktop. Otherwise, double click. I didn't write. Okay, 1 minute. Double click on Eclipse shortcut icon. Double click on Eclipse shortcut icon on desktop. That is one way. Double click on Eclipse icon in the following folder. So if you don't get a shortcut key, use this one, because this location first important. Shortcut key may or may not be available. Users folder, user, Eclipse, JEE. This is your user. Maybe your user name will be there. Okay. In your laptop, while creating user, whatever given, that name appears here. Only this word, this year only different appears, remaining same. Double click on Eclipse shortcut icon on desktop. Double click on Eclipse icon in the following folder. Okay, that is first step. Next. Is it over? So either double click on shortcut icon or double click on in this folder. See here, I'll double click. It is started. Now it will ask workspace. Here workspace by default here in my system in this location installing in this. Okay. Now you're right. Select the workspace. What is workspace? I'll give. Select the workspace by clicking on browse button. Default workspace is so in my system, this is a default workspace. Suppose just here I'll write user. Now in my system, default workspace is Eclipse stores projects in a folder is called workspace. Eclipse stores projects in a folder is called workspace. Eclipse stores projects in a folder is called workspace. Suppose you'll write Eclipse programs, but where are your program? Where are your program? You'll search again. That's what this workspace you should know. Suppose later you want to copy in pen drive. From where you'll copy? From this folder you have to copy. That is called workspace. What are the programs you are going to write in Eclipse? Those all going to be stored in this location by default. If you want to change, click on browse button, change. Suppose D drive you want to save, E drive if you want to save, click on browse button, select D drive or E drive. If you want to continue with the default continue. After writing programs, all programs you want to copy in pen drive, go to this location, copy. Okay, that is workspace. Eclipse stores projects in a folder is called workspace. Default workspace is this one. While writing program, if any problems comes, no need to uninstall Eclipse. Just delete this workspace, again create new workspace, it works. If any problem occurred, because it will set the environment for workspace. That is the reason this folder you can delete. Again, it will be created automatically. Like that also you can continue. If any problems comes. Is it over? Now here you can click on browse button. You can select where you want to save. C drive, D drive, whatever is there in your system, drives, E drive, F drive, like this you can select. Otherwise, continue with the default workspace. After that, see, use this as the default and do not ask again. If you select this checkbox, next time this dialog box will not come. Always it will take that one only. Okay. But after selecting also, if you want to change, possible. Again, after opening also possible. Now click on launch button. Ready, son? Click on launch button. Click on launch button. Click on launch button. Is it over? Like this, you can start Eclipse. Like this, you can start Eclipse. Say, is it over? Say here, by default, actually welcome file comes. This is by default, this welcome file comes. Welcome page. This welcome page appears. You can close this page. Here, help, again welcome, if you click, again appears. Here, with this, what will be there? You observe tutorials, samples, new features, overview, every environment. Complete user guide is there. User manual like. Now, without any tutor, you can learn yourself. Tutorials are there, samples are there, new features are there, environment overview also is there. Each and every menu, each and every page, everything, toolbar icons, everything, information is there. Without any tutor, you can learn yourself. It is just like a MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint, that type. It is one tool, that's it, IDE. Okay, you can learn yourself also. How to write one welcome program in Eclipse? Screenshots are there. How to write JDBC program in Eclipse? Screenshots are there. What you have to do, click, what you have to second next click, what that is all, everything, screenshots are there. Without, no need to go for YouTube videos, no need to go for Google. Here only is there. In this software only tutorials are there. In this software only samples are there. You can click, you can watch. This will come. Okay. Now, here, this is totally called perspective. This is totally called perspective. So here, I'll close this. Right click, close. It is closed. Again, window perspective. Here, open perspective, other. In this, Java is there, Java EE is there. Suppose in your Eclipse, Java EE not there. That means you downloaded Eclipse for Java. If Eclipse Java EE perspective is there, so it's also possible. How to open perspective? What is perspective? You have to learn. Note on. Next. Perspective. It is called as a perspective is a perspective is a layout of views and editors. A perspective is a layout of views and editors. A perspective is a layout of views and editors. See, suppose I'll open this one. You observe so many are there, no? Here, Project Explorer, it's a one view. Here, see, markers, properties, servers, data source explorer, snippets, terminal. Here, outline. These are called views. Writing program purpose, this environment, it is called editor. Editor comes here. This totally called perspective. It is a layout. On that layout, there is a project explorer, here server, here outline, here markers, like that we have some views. All views and editors will call it as perspective. There are many perspectives. See, open perspective, open perspective, other. Here, Java perspective, Java EE perspective, JPA perspective, web perspective, XML perspective. Like that, we have perspectives. Okay. Next, write it. There are many perspectives. First one, Java perspective. Second one, Java EE perspective. Third one, JPA perspective, Java Persistence API. XML perspective, extensible markup language, dash, etc. A perspective is a layout of views and editors. There are many perspectives. First one, Java perspective. Second one, Java EE perspective. Third one, JPA perspective. Fourth one, XML perspective, dash, etc. JPA stands, Java EE stands for Java Platform Enterprise Edition. Java platform word also you have to specify compulsory. JPA stands for Java Persistence API. XML stands for XML Extensible Markup Language. There are many perspectives: Java perspective, Java EE perspective, JPA perspective, XML perspective, etc. Java EE stands for Java Platform Enterprise Edition. JPA stands for Java Persistence API. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. Java perspective supports to write core Java programs and JDBC programs. Java perspective supports to write core Java programs and JDBC programs. So if you want to write core Java program, if you want to write JDBC program, you have to select Java perspective. Next, Java EE perspective supports to write solid listeners, filters, JSP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. Java EE perspective supports to write solid listeners, filters, JSP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. So full stack Java student, those who didn't join till HTML, CSS, JavaScript batch, you join HTML also parallelly, as well as Oracle also parallelly you join. It is better. Those who didn't join till. So after festival holidays, batches are there. On 18th, I think. 18th Oracle is there. 18th HTML, CSS, JavaScript also is there. Those who didn't attend till, attend. See, Java perspective supports to write core Java programs and JDBC programs. Java EE perspective supports to write solid listeners, filters, JSP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. Is it over? Now for writing JDBC program, what we record? Java. Okay. Next topic onwards, Java EE. Because next topic solids. After that, solid listeners. After that, filters. After that, JSP. At that time only we use HTML, CSS, all will mix. Okay. Java perspective present we have to use. How to open perspective, how to close perspective. Note down. To open perspective. To open perspective. To open perspective. Window menu, perspective, other perspective, other. Click on window menu. Click on perspective. Click on open perspective. Click on other. Select Java perspective. Click on window menu. Click on perspective. Click on open perspective. Click on other. Select Java perspective. So now we are writing JDBC program. That's what I selected Java. Next topic onwards, you have to select Java EE. Okay. Is it over? Say window, perspective, open perspective, other. Select Java. Click on open button. Note, click on open button. Click on open button. Is it over? See, you observe previously it was different. Now package explorer, previously project explorer. Okay. Now present only 3 problems, Java doc, declaration. Previously markers, so many things are there, no? Servers, source declaration, so many. Here outline. So these views are different. Now present server not required. That's what server not came. Previously Java EE perspective server is there. See, like this, if you want to close, here perspective icon appears, you can close. Again, if you want to open, window, perspective, open perspective, other. Here Java EE, open. See, here different. Here so many projects are up there. See, observe project explorer. Here so many things are there. Okay. Here you observe, here also so many are there. Okay. Now here right click, close. Now next, to close perspective node. To close perspective, right click on perspective icon, at top right corner. Click on close. Right click on perspective icon at top right corner. Click on close. Right click on perspective icon at top right corner. Click on close. So it is window, perspective, open perspective, other, select anyone, open. It is open. Here this is perspective icon. Okay, this is Java appears. So right click, close. See, window, perspective, open perspective, other, Java EE, open. Now an icon appears at top right corner. See, now this is Java EE. See, just if place the mouse pointer, Java EE shows. Close. Like this. Okay. To open perspective, to close perspective, like this. After that, you want to write one JDBC program. How to write? See, window, perspective. Which perspective required? Java. I selected Java. Okay. Now file, new, one Java package, Java project. Okay. Now Java project you have to click. Later you have to select class. You have to write package. You have to write program. I'll show you. Next, to write JDBC programs. To write JDBC programs, open Java perspective. That is just open Java perspective I'm giving. That steps you have to follow. After that, click on new. Click on file menu. Click on new. Click on Java project. So to write JDBC programs, you have to follow. So how to open perspective, how to close perspective, you have seen. After this, to write JDBC programs, open Java perspective, click on file menu, click on new, click on Java project. First of all, Java perspective should be open, already opened. Okay. Is it over? Say file new Java project. Here type one project name. Say type project name. Example JDBC. Okay. Here use default location. You observe here by default workspace is there, no? That is. If you want to change, you can uncheck this one. You can continue another workspace. So after opening also, if you want to change the workspace, possible. And which Java runtime environment, by default, whatever is in my system, that is working. If you want to change, you can change. Okay. Here you observe use project layout. Here source files, dot class files separate if you want, like this, both in the same place if you want. This one already you learn in core Java class. While creating packages, dot Java separate, dot class separate will create, no? That's the reason Eclipse automatically creates. But in core Java class, manually we did. With the core separate, dot Java separate, dot class, myself we did. But here Eclipse, what it will do, automatically creates. So that's what default settings, whatever is there, you continue as it is. No need to change this all. Just type project name, click on next. Then it shows here source file, dot class file, separate it maintain. Just click on finish. That's it. Okay. Now, after this, fifth one, type project name. Example JDBC. Click on next button. Click on finish button. Click on next button, click on finish button. So click on next button, click on finish button. Is it over? So type project name, example JDBC. Click on next button, click on finish button. After this, right click on JDBC, new class. Not done. Right click on JDBC in a project explorer. Package explorer, project package explorer. Right click on JDBC in a package explorer. Okay. Next, click on new. Click on class. Right click on JDBC in a package explorer. Click on new. Click on class. Is it over? Type package name, by default it will take. That is only whatever I given. It will take default. If you want, you can change here. It is project folder. It is package folder. Another also you can change. Name. Suppose connection demo. Class name. Select the main method. Click on finish button. Type class name. Example, connection demo. Select main method. Click on finish button. Select main method. Click on finish button. So click on class, type class name, example connection demo. Select main method, click on finish button. Is it over? So connection demo, like I'm going to connect Java application to database. That is connection demo class name I given. Main method we have to select. Click on finish button. See, I written connection demo. I selected main method. I'll click on finish button. Now, here, this will automatically comes. These shortcut keys I'll give. How to increase the font, how to decrease the font, how to change the format, how to write. So many shortcut keys are there. Okay. Now, we have to write a program here. Now, how to establish the connection? What do you have to write? Class dot for name. Here, what we have to write? Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. Next, connection con equal to get connection. Get connection. So code assistant not working. 1 minute. Okay, next. JDBC colon 1521 XC. Next, manager. What are these? System manager. Okay. Now, this connection driver manager in which package? I'll give shortcut keys list also. I'll give shortcut keys. See, imported. Okay. Now imported. It is showing error only. 1 minute. In my system, path missed. Okay, 1 minute. Here shortcut keys for try catch blocks also. See, shortcut keys, try catch blocks also shortcut keys. Now, 1 minute. See, like this, you can write the program. System.out.println. Okay. This is also not working. Some problem is there. 1 minute. I know. That problem is software not matched. A code assistant also not coming. Code assistant also not coming. 1 minute. Actually, in my system, software, this is actually not, I didn't check directly given. See, 19 is there. There's 17 is shown. That compatibility not there. 1 minute. In my system, Java 19 is there. But in Eclipse, what is shown? 17. See, while opening Java project, it has shown 17. The 17 is not there in my system. It is not showing also, you observe. Okay. Some problem is there. 1 minute. That is the reason it is code assistant also not showing. You observe. It is not coming. Code assistance also not working. Okay. Next, write it. Write the program in editor. Write the program in editor. Write the program in editor. Writing JDBC program like this you can do. Program already written, no need to write. To add jar file, I'll show you that is. To add jar file, to add jar file, to add jar file, right click, build path, configure build path. First, right click on JDBC in Package Explorer. Click on build path. Click on configure build path. Click on build path. Click on configure build path. To add jar file, click on build path. Right click on JDBC in a Package Explorer. Click on build path. Click on configure build path. Because jar file you have to attach OJDBC 6_G, 8_G, that purpose. See, right click, build path, configure build path. Here, libraries, class path, add external jar files. Not done. Click on libraries tab. Click on libraries tab. Click on class path. Click on add external jars button. Select OJDBC 6_G or 8_G, whatever is there in your system. One minute. The location already I taught. C drive, Oracle XE, app, Oracle product 11.2.0, server, JDBC, lib. In your system may be different. Try this one. Select OJDBC 6_G.jar file from the following location. So right click on JDBC in a Package Explorer. Click on build path. Click on configure build path. Click on libraries tab. Click on class path. Click on add external jars. Select this jar file from this location. Maybe in your system location different. These all yourself also you can learn. And also no one will ask in interview about Eclipse. Okay. After getting a job, like they may ask only one question. Do you know Eclipse? If you say yes, also nothing will happen. If you say no, also nothing will happen. With Eclipse knowledge, they are not going to recruit. With Java knowledge, they'll recruit. Okay. Now we'll select C drive, Oracle XE app, Oracle product 11.2.0 server, JDBC lib. Open. Click on open, click on apply and close. Click on open button. Click on apply and close button. Last one. To run the above application, right click on JDBC. In a package explorer, click on run as. Click on Java application. Click on run as, click on Java application. Select connection demo. Otherwise, directly right click on connection demo. That is also possible. If you do like this, what will happen? It will ask run as Java application. So here you have to select connection demo. Okay. Click on OK. Directly, if you select, right click on connection demo directly. Click on OK. Those who didn't get without Eclipse. Now with Eclipse, very simple. Class path setting, many people are getting class not found exception, class not found exception. With Eclipse, that problem will not occur because you are adding jar file only. You are not typing. That's what that problem will never occur. But maybe in a oracle.jdbc.driver. There, that line mistake is there. Again, class not found exception only comes. Already have shown. So those are getting those problems. Already videos are there. You watch again. Because already 11 videos I shared in Google Classroom. In that it is there. You can watch. Okay. Tomorrow I'll show you. Tomorrow that programs I'll show you. After that, next concept I'll continue. Holidays. That is tomorrow I'll tell you. 14, 15, 16 confirm. Okay. These 3 days are confirmed. But remaining days, either 17 or 13, that is tomorrow I'll tell you. Okay. 14, 15, 16 is confirmed. Online student, my mail ID. Okay, my mail ID, this one.
That's working on VS Code. That's working on VS Code.
VS Code.
Yes. Oh. Not work on VS Code. Any VS Code is there? Sir,